Hey y'all, come with me. I took my mom to IKEA. She did a kitchen remodel, which she is so well deserving of it. She's one of the most kindest people in the world. She has a heart of gold. IKEA is a big place, y'all, and so when you go, make sure you're well rested and ready to walk and have on your best walking shoes. So we walked through and picked some things out. I wanted to get some things to organize her kitchen. Now, some people don't like IKEA. They want high-end furniture. IKEA is awesome to me. And you can design any type of house, apartment, or whatever. You can always blend upscale things and make put something with something to get something, as my friend would say. Anyway, even though I went to IKEA, I didn't purchase enough because my mom said don't buy too much, so I ended up having to order more products. Now, the thing that I wanted to get when I went to IKEA was some organizational containers. Now, for me, this type of stuff is therapy for me. I love organizing things. I love labeling things, and I just like things neat. So I wanted to make sure her kitchen was really neat and well organized. And I know that if I get it like that for her, then she's going to keep it like that. Now, don't get me wrong. These containers were ranging anywhere from about $5 to $8 each. And I know that may be a bit much for some people's budget. But believe me, I've organized with dollar store containers before. You can do the same thing. The point is to do what makes you happy and to do what makes you feel comfortable in your own home. So I went on ahead and I took these containers out, and I wanted to get them all prepped and get them washed. Now, the larger containers I'm going to use for cereals, and they do hold like a 12.8 ounce to 13 ounce box. If you have a large family and you use family size cereal boxes, or that's what you purchase, these won't be big enough. You will have cereal left over. But for our family, we like to have a different variety of cereals, so these work perfect. I couldn't decide exactly what I wanted to put in these smaller containers. I've decided in life that I'm only purchasing and buying things that I truly need. Sometimes we are so blessed that we have so much and it just becomes confusing and overwhelming. So the things that I wanted to put in these containers, I wanted to make sure it was things that I cook with in everyday life and things that I truly use. So like my penne pastas, jasmine rice, things like that I really enjoy. But lately I've been on a health kick, so I don't want too many starches, but it's not just about me. There is family. For those of you all who know, I'm in a transition in my life, so trying to do things differently and just be more conscious of everyday decisions. Anyway, after washing these and getting them all cleaned out, I wanted to go ahead and let them air dry. And so I went on ahead and prepped all of my containers. Y'all, in life, we run into changes. Things happen. We have no control. And I've learned in life to make the best of what situations or what things are thrown at us. You don't always have control over things in your life, and you have to learn to accept the things that you can't control. And I've been stepping out and really leaning on faith. And when I give something to God, I truly try to release it and give it to God. And we're all human, and that can be difficult. But anyway, let's get into these containers. So I got them all prepped, and I did several parts to this kitchen. So y'all follow me because I did a whole kitchen remodel for her, and I broke these down into parts. So please like and follow if you want to see more. Nobody told me that filling up spice jars and organizing stuff like this can be so tedious and tiring. I've done it before, but for some reason, maybe it's because I'm a little older, I was like, oh my goodness, this is a lot. Anyway, I did get everything sorted out in the way I wanted it, and I just started filling my containers. Now, I can't tell you how many times I went back and forth through these labels, searching for the appropriate labels. Like I said, when you're doing spices and labeling things, I ordered these labels from Amazon, but who knew it was so many different rices, different noodles, different spices. But anyway, I took my time. I was able to find what I needed, and I had several options from these labels, and I'll link these below. It actually gave me the option for a black, more sleek, minimalist label or a white label, so you got options when it came, and I did like that. I took my time and actually figured out what I wanted to put where, even figured out how it was going to be placed in the different storage cabinets to make sure that it was very, very functional. Now, some people will say, oh, this is too much. Why are you doing this? This is too bougie. No, it's not. It's what I enjoy doing. It works for me. And I've learned in life that I do what I want to make myself happy. I really don't care how other people feel about it. So, one of the things that I wanted to make sure I did was like a morning cabinet. So I wanted to put all of the cereal together, all of the protein powders together, granola and things of that nature, just to make sure that we had organization. So everything that was morning items I put together, and then things that we cook with in the afternoon, like our penne pastas, different noodles and rices, I was going to put in a different area. So anyway, after me flipping around, I made sure that I had my labels stuck well, and I started filling it with my things like my self-rising flour, my regular flour. I wanted to make sure that those were clearly labeled based on what I was baking. And I just took my time and did this, and I put things strategically in certain areas of the cabinet to make sure that, like I said, when we access them, it makes sense and it flows well. I even did 2 things of sugar because I have my healthy sugars that I use for coffees in the morning, and then I have things that I use for baking when it's not such a big deal for dieting, and we're just wanting something that tastes good. Through the week, we try to eat pretty healthy, to make sure that we're eating clean, and then sometimes we splurge on the weekend. But anyway, you do what works for your family. Again, for me, this is therapeutic. I love things organized. To me, when your space is decluttered, your mind is decluttered. I just don't function well in a cluttered space. As long as it's clean and organized, I don't care what budget I'm on. I just like things to be nice, and that's just the way I've always been. Now, like I said, some people feel like it's a waste of time, but everybody has to do what works for them. And people, like I say, do what makes you happy. So I finally got everything pretty much organized. And as you can see, I was very proud. It started to come together. My son has been doing a lot of baking, so I even had things like Heath candies and chocolate morsels because he loves to bake cookies and stuff like that. I went on ahead and I started doing my cereal. Now, like I said, for my cereal, these containers held, I think, no more than like a 13 point something ounce box. As you can see, I had some that were a little bigger and I had some leftovers, but no fear because I do have a basket for overflow, and we typically eat the overflow first because it just makes sense because everything else is sealed in an airtight container and we don't have those issues. So I like to have my cereals, like my Raisin Bran and stuff like that. He has his cereals and it worked out perfectly. Um, so again, these containers came from IKEA. This is not a sponsored video, but if IKEA wants to sponsor me, reach out, y'all. I would love to be sponsored. Again, I love IKEA products. I love anything organizational. I even had checked out some things in Walmart, and they have some pretty decent containers. So you can get containers from anywhere. Any of your local stores like Ross often has organizational containers as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, the way that I put this together, just to let you guys get some organizational ideas. We're going to get these containers stored in the appropriate cabinet so you can see how I finalized everything. And please, guys, like and follow. There will be more parts coming. I have some more remodeling coming up, and I would love to share with you guys.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 yeah. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me.